Hello guys, myself Anirudh Chaudhary from CSSstack.org. In this video, I'm going to tell you what are the new features or the changes has been added in Python 3.10. We all know that Python 3.10 has been released, and this is the official link where they have mentioned all the changes and the features. But as a part of this video, I'm going to tell you what are the three features or the basic features that you should know. These three basic features that has been added in Python 3.10 will be very useful and handy in your everyday development. First thing is I really like in Python 3.10 is improved error message. Suppose like in Python 3.9, and if you're writing the print statement with the hello world, and if you miss that closing parenthesis, you will get the syntax error saying that unexpected end of file while passing. What does that mean is you will not come to know what exactly has been gone wrong. So if you do the same mistake in Python 3.10, it specifically mentioned that syntax error and the close opening braces was never closed. It means that you have to write the closing parenthesis to complete this statement. So this is just one instance. There are a lot of error messages has been improvised, and that will help you to fix the bugs very conveniently. And the second features that I really like about the Python 3.10 is that Python 3.10 has come up with the match statement. If you compare the Python with the C, C++, we all know that C++ has a switch statement, and this is the switch statement is very basic statements which was missing in Python. So Python 3.10 has come up with the match statement, which is nothing but the similar to the switch statement. So if you want to compare your parameters with the multiple literals, then you can use the match and case statement over here. This is similar to the switch statement that we see in C++ and in Java. Before 3.10, we used to write multiple if-else statement, and that's sometimes if you have multiple literals to compare, the job becomes very cumbersome. So having these features as a match statement is going to be very handy and very useful in your project. The third thing that has been introduced in the Python 3.10 is that Python 3.10 has introduced parenthesized context manager. So in Python 3.9, right, if you want to write a multiple line of code in the context manager, then you have to write the backslash. But in Python 3.10, if you want to write a multiple line of code in the context manager, you don't need to mention the backslash. So basically, Python support enclosing parentheses for continuation across multiple lines in the context manager. This is very small fix, very small change, but that's going to be very useful in your day-to-day development. These are the three basic features that I would like to mention as a part of the changes that has been made in Python 3.10. Apart from that, there are a lot of improvement happen in the Python 3.10. So basically, I have already shared the official link here. I will also share this link in the comment section, so you can just go through and read up all the complete official document where they have mentioned all the changes and the features that has been added. Just let me know in the comment section which are that one change or the one feature that you really like in the Python 3.10. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.